Algebraic example. Find the value of a. Square root of a plus 9 is equal to 7. Answer. Square root of a plus 9 is equal to 7. Square on both sides. Square on both sides. Therefore, square root of a plus 9 whole square is equal to 7 square. Here square root gets cancelled. A plus 9 is equal to 7 square is 49. Now a is equal to 49 plus 9, take right side, becomes minus 9. A is equal to 49 minus 9 is 40. A is equal to 40 is answer.